In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on your Cursor AI account in just a few simple steps. If you signed up with the wrong name, want to update your profile, or just need to correct your account details, this guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can use any browser, but in this tutorial, I'll be using Chrome because it's quick and easy to follow along. Once your browser is open, go to the Cursor AI website. Just type in the official website address in the search bar and press enter. When the website loads, sign into your account. Use the email and login method connected to your Cursor AI profile so you can access your account settings. If you're not signed in already, complete the login process first before moving to the next step. After you're signed in, look for the dashboard. This is usually where you'll see your account overview and main navigation options. Click on Dashboard to open your account area. From the dashboard, find and click on Settings. This is where Cursor AI keeps your account preferences, profile details, and other personal information. Once the settings page opens, you may see a variety of options, so take your time and look carefully. Now scroll down until you reach the profile section. This is the area where your name and other profile details are stored. Depending on the layout, you may need to scroll a little bit to find it, so don't worry if it's not visible right away. Once you reach the profile section, you'll see your first name and second name fields. Click on the first name field and type in the new first name you want to use. Make sure it's spelled correctly before moving on. Next, click on the second name field and enter your updated second name. Again, double check everything so your account name appears exactly the way you want it to. After you've made both changes, look for the Save button. Click Save to apply your new name to your Cursor AI account. This step is important because your changes won't be updated until you save them. And that's it. You've now changed your name on your Cursor AI account successfully. It's a simple process once you know where to go, and now you can update your profile anytime you need to. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tech videos, tutorials, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.